here we have a question. Normally, is if I have the back windows tinted from the factory, what do I match on the sides? Well, normally I always tell my customers this is a 20% roll of film. The back windows are always going to be 20%. This is from the factory. So this one has no tint, but it's factory tinted from the glass. So it's not tint. It does not reject any heat. It's just for privacy. Versus this, as it's tinted. I'm going to show you an example of what I mean by this. So here we have a tint meter, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it on. Again, these have no tint, but it's factory dyed windows. So what I'm going to do is this. So as you can see, it's measuring 27% VLT coming from this window, and it's not tinted. Now, if I move this over to the front window, you can see with the tint, it measures 18%. This is 20%, 27%. That's why I always say 20%, 20% if you want to match the back windows. As you can see, it's not a big difference. So, if you want to match your back windows, which are already factory tinted, go with the 20%. Some German cars measure 35, but in this case, it's better 20% matching the back windows. We have 50% on the front windshield. So a normal windshield will be over 80%. 50% cuts literally the light in half. 50% over the full front windshield. This is a carbon film, so it does measure a little darker than a normal ceramic film. Here's a windshield with no tint.